From the last video, I was explaining that this sentence is giving an example of cause effect or a result or impact of something. The cause is that people were getting sick from these unhealthy environments. The effect or the impact or the result is that the environmental justice movement was started. So the only one that fits in the sentence is as a result. So you need to plug in all of those choices and see which one still makes the sentence understandable. For 8, 9, and 10, you need to write a 3-sentence answer, and I count the periods or the end punctuation. Sorry, the periods or the end punctuation. So you need 3 sentences per answer, and I'm going to help you build your answer. At the end of this video, you need to go back into your ReadWorks environmental justice assignment and make the corrections for your 8 through 10. Read the question for number 8. All right, make sure you read this highlighted part that just went away. Hold on, I got it right here. Pause and read this. Now you have to build your answer. Remember, always base your answer on what you've read. So you'll say based on the passage or based on paragraph 2 under the second section, but you always need to tell me where you get your information from. So based on the passage in 1994, President Clinton signed an executive order, period. Second sentence, this order was signed in response to the continuing cries of protesters and demonstrators, period. This order directed the federal government to address the environmental health threats caused by people having to live in unhealthy environments. Please pause, rewind, and write that as your answer, or you can build your own answer. But do you see how I put that in my own words? I mixed up the sentence and I made it 3 sentences. That's how you need to answer 8, 9, and 10 in all short answer questions in ELA and in social studies. Number 9 asks you to describe. Whenever you see describe, that tells you have to explain in details, not just 1 or 2 words or a few words as an answer, but in sentences, okay? Make sure you pause and read the question. Here's one unhealthy environment you can describe. The question only asks for 1. Here are 2 more unhealthy environments that you could choose to describe. And here are 3 more. Remember, they only ask you to describe a unhealthy environment, and they only want unhealthy environments based on the passage. So make sure you build your answer and make sure it's 3 sentences, okay? You can use any of the sentences or paragraphs, under the heading, where are these unhealthy environments? Always refer to the passage or the paragraph or the article. Please pause and read number 10. And it starts with explain. So that again tells you that you have to give a detailed answer in sentences. And it tells you describe what's in the text. All of these 8, 9, and 10 all say refer to the text or ask for what's discussed in the text. So you have to obey. To help build your answer for number 10, you can pick one of the problems or unhealthy environments listed under this heading. Then express how one of the organizations under this heading would address that one problem you chose just now. Remember, build your answer in 3 sentences and always base it on the passage. Try not to use the word I. Well, don't use the word I in it.